Naglabas po kasi ng statement si Mayor Baste Duterte saying na 3 ranggo ang tinalunan ninyo because it's not a merit-based promotion, and he even called you an attack dog. What do you want to tell Mayor Baste?
Okay. I just respect his decision, and I respect his opinion. And rewind lang ng konti sa termino naman ng tatay niya kung sino unang chief PNP. Okay? So, ano ranggo ng unang chief PNP at ano ranggo ko bago ako naging chief PNP. So, it really goes back to him, really. Seriously speaking, it goes back to him. Okay? The first chief PNP of his father is a 1-star na naging automatic 4-star. Did he ask that? Did he question that?
Let me just point out the difference. Si Bato, kung iambak man sa promotion, it is because it was to fight drugs and criminality. Si Torre, niambak sa position because he is there to persecute those who are against drugs and criminality. So what does that say about this administration? Kulang na lang ingon nimo, you are promoting drugs and criminality and you are grooming pushers and narco politicians. So, sa to? Back to you.